everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I probably look really super weird right now because of the lights and my lovely sunburn and tan lines, which we will talk about while I get ready. But I'm just doing a chit chat, get ready with me again. It's all I'm really kind of in the mood to do right now, and I actually have some place to be today. So Ruger is here assisting me with my makeup today. So if you hear him or see things moving or whatever, he's right here. Just off camera. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with my eyebrows. And today I'm gonna use the Fluff and Fill eyebrow pencil from NYX. Just need to find my spoolie so I can fluff them up and get them in place. So the last couple videos that I've done have been booktube videos, and I only had a minimal amount of makeup on because my whole face and body has been peeling because I ended up getting sun poisoning. Yeah, I went out on the lake. We were having a grand old time. I was only out there for 3 hours with SPF on, and it just was not a high enough SPF. This is the most normal I've looked in days. The lights are making me look much paler and kind of my eyes like translucent. But yeah, my skin is still quite red in some spots and has completely peeled in most areas. So I'm just trying to not put products on it. This is actually the first day that I'm doing like a full-on face of makeup while my skin is healing. My face is pretty much healed, which is awesome. But yeah, it has been a process of a lot of hydrating, hi buddy, and a lot of lotion and just things to make my face look a little bit better. I was on the fence about this product for a while, but now that I've played with it quite a bit, I don't mind it. I don't think I'll like re-buy it because it's supposed to be like a pomade in a pen. If I do ever do like a pomade again, I think I will just get a regular pomade in a pot. Since this product makes your eyebrows so like full and kind of like makeup-y and kind of clump stuff together, I do like putting a brow gel in with it just to give the hairs a bit more texture and make them look even that much fluffier and full. For me, this is kind of what not only sets everything in, but just makes the look a little more natural, and it also kind of fills in those places where maybe the pomade didn't take. Yeah, I have a big spot right here where some skin peeled off recently, so I have this weird kind of red spot. So whatever I can get with my brows today, I'm taking, because really can't ask for a whole lot. So for the eyes, since I am wearing a black top, it's fairly neutral, and for the bottom I am wearing cheetah print. I wanted to do something like yellow and orange. So that is what I'm gonna do today. So for the crease, I'm gonna take this color called Poppy from Makeup Geek. It's like the old Makeup Geek pan. And we're gonna put this kind of as our transition-y crease color with just a fluffy brush. And I know my brushes are dirty, but I haven't had time to wash them. So I'm just taking this color and going in the crease. This is a BH Cosmetics brush, and I really like it. This is from their Fairy Lights collection. It is so nice. Like, all of their brushes that I have are so wonderful. They're so soft, and they diffuse color beautifully. Like, with bright colors, they work really well. So I'm hoping that with the animal print, this will kind of complement the whole look. We're gonna find out. I've been really feeling like creative lately with like makeup. Like, I have my whole month of August for videos planned out, and it's all kind of a theme sort of. I guess not, like when you look at the videos you don't really see it as a theme, but for me it's all kind of one big project. Halloween is quick approaching. I have less than 100 days to get 31 videos ready. which is wild because I have the way that I have it all set up right now is actually going to be like 4 projects all going at the same time. You guys just won't see them all at the same time. It's like August, September, October, and then into November. It's wild the way I'm deciding to do this to myself. So I'm going to take a yellow shadow now and pack this all over the lid. This is very bright and vibrant, very sunshiny. It's very dreary today, so. But yeah, so it's so weird now that I have a job. It's like, oh, I have less time to do videos, but because I have an outlet for some of my energy, it's like the creative process is flowing, like it wants to come out. And now let's do my base, since that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. I didn't want to do something too complicated, but I did want something really bright, so I'm gonna try and see if the Infallible will cover up this little spot here. We're gonna see. I do have this big sponge, so I'm hoping that'll all kind of work well together. Let's hope. Put this on. This may have been way too much, but this will be enough for my whole face, I think. And back onto the Netflix, because I really wasn't watching it because Sean has the Xbox and that's usually how we watch it. And I don't really like watching shows or videos or anything on my laptop. I usually watch them on my phone because I actually don't mind watching stuff on a little screen. A lot of people don't like watching stuff on a little screen, like they want a really, really big screen. These lights are making me look like a ghost. So yeah, now that we have the TV and everything hooked up, I have been watching Lucifer, which is an amazing show. It has to do with the Bible like a little bit, but it's a much more cynical look at like Christianity and the Bible and the stories of the Bible, and I really like it because I'm not a religious person. I'm more of a spiritual type, so you know, like I don't really know what I believe sort of thing, but it's hilarious. Tom Ellis is really good, and Lauren Germain, maybe, I'm not sure how you say her last name, used to be on Chicago Fire, and I really liked her on there. So it's a lot of people I know, like, or who have been in other things, that I really like. Okay, so this foundation, although it looks really, 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 really white, with these lights, maybe if I turn this light off, you guys can see it's not that crazy. It's just because my chest too is so red. So I threw my liner on just because there's no way I can do it and talk at the same time. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I think I am gonna put falsies on because it looks like we're probably gonna be eating inside. So yeah, I'm not real worried about it. But yeah, I'm trying to think of stuff that's been going on. It's been pretty tame lately, and that's really nice. So, good work, world, for giving me a break. I just got the Colossal Big, the Colossal Big Shot mascara. I used to have this, like, right when I started doing YouTube, and I hadn't bought it in forever, and I've run out of all but, like, one of my regular black mascaras. So I thought I would try this again. It's nothing like a fresh tube of mascara. Like, it's so nice. So yeah, now let's add some color to this face. I am going to bronze all over. I'm not gonna really worry about contouring too much, but we're going to try and bronze as much as we possibly can. Just because, and I looked like in my bathroom here to see what the lighting would be like, you know, not under studio light, and it's much better. I don't want to put too much on, especially because the lights are washing me out. I'm going to put on a little bit of this matte pink blush. This is a NYX one. It's called Lollipop Hop, but it honestly is like the CoverGirl Cheek Stirrers like number 2, the one that everybody like starts out with that smells like makeup, if you know what I mean, like smells like your mom's makeup bag. Light, I am using the one from NYX that I got in the Christmas set, and I'm just gonna use a fan brush for this because I don't want it too harsh. But with a matte blush, I feel like I always have to put on a little bit of highlight at least. And then in the waterline of my eyes, I'm gonna use this brown pencil from Physicians Formula, just because, you know, it is dinner. We are eating at like a lounge type place, so can do with a little smokiness and the lower lash. Just blend it with my finger a little bit. I feel like that reshaped my eyes entirely, but it looks really nice. And then for my lips, I am just using Slip Tease, which is a full color lip oil in Poppin' from NYX. I've never used this one before, so since I am going to be eating and drinking, I'm not trying to have like a lipstick that I have to touch up over and over. So this one will be perfect. So I think that is the end of this look. I have to go finish getting dressed, but I'm gonna set this off first. And there we go. So if you guys like this look, please let me know about down below by giving me a thumbs up or leaving me a comment. Make sure you subscribe on your way out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.